Makadi, welcome back to Shona Land. Today we'll be teaching you more greetings in Shona. So one of the most common greetings that we know is someone saying good morning to you. How do we say that in Shona? It's simple. In Shona, good morning, it's mangwanani akanaka. Mangwanani akanaka. That's how you say good morning in Shona. Mangwanani akanaka. And how do you respond to that if someone says mangwanani akanaka? The response, you say mangwanani akanaka kwa muriwo. So it's like you're saying good morning to you too. So if someone says mangwanani akanaka, how do you respond? You say mangwanani akanaka kwa muriwo. Mangwanani akanaka kwa muriwo. Okay, let's go to the next greeting. If someone says good afternoon, how do you say that in Shona? In Shona, good afternoon is masikati akanaka. Masikati akanaka. That's how you say good afternoon in Shona. Masikati akanaka. And how do you respond to that if someone says masikati akanaka to you? This is how you respond. You say masikati akanaka kwa muriwo. It's like you're saying good afternoon to you too. Masikati akanaka kwa muriwo. Okay. So if someone says masikati akanaka to you, you respond masikati akanaka kwa muriwo. Okay. So let's go to the last greeting for today. If someone says good evening, in Shona, it's maneru akanaka. Okay. Maneru akanaka. Maneru akanaka. That's how you say good evening in Shona. How do you respond to that? To respond to it, you say maneru akanaka kwa muriwo. So it's equivalent to saying good evening to you too. Maneru akanaka kwa muriwo. So now you know, if someone says maneru akanaka, that's good evening, you respond maneru akanaka kwa muriwo. That's good evening to you too. Okay, to sum it up, just doing a recap. So if someone says good morning, which is mangwanani akanaka, how do you respond? Mangwanani akanaka kwa muriwo. Good morning to you too. If someone says masikati akanaka, you respond masikati akanaka kwa muriwo. That's good afternoon to you too. If someone says good evening, which is maneru akanaka, you respond maneru akanaka kwa muriwo. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you understood and you liked it. Please don't forget to leave a comment, to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. And if you have any questions, please you can just leave any questions in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. Ndatenda. See you in the next one.